Alright, so I figured I'd just film these units just for the heck of it. Here's the 5 carrier comforts and the Rudd over there. That one's a heat pump right there. There's an old Heil heat pump down there. The 1996 Heil heat pump is still there. 07 carrier comfort, or base model, I mean. Base model, and the 2012 Goodman and 2018 Bryant heat pumps are still down there. Nothing has changed over there, nothing. Yeah, just figure I'd film the units up here, up on the hill. Nothing's changed down here either. 4 Rudds and 2 Goodmans. That Rudd in the back is my grandparents' friends. That was their old condo. They'd moved out of it back in October. They moved in to a condo down over there, a couple buildings down. We're gonna be running by that unit here in a minute, but yeah, that was their old unit. They don't live in it anymore. Then we have 2 Rheem Classics and 3 Rudds and a Train XR 14 heat pump right there that I've filmed before. I've caught it defrosting 3 years ago. I figured on my days off I should come back here and get more heat pumps defrosting when it gets cold, because I've been busy with school and work and everything. I haven't really been able to make it down here to catch some defrosts, but this winter I should be able to. I hope. There's a Train heat pump right there. Couple Rheem Classic X's from 1994. Those are beasts of units. Then 3 Rudd units. Those Rheems are really nice units. The oldest heat pump on this property is that 96 Heil I zoomed in at the beginning of the video. Y'all definitely remember that unit. Caught it starting up a couple of years ago and caught it defrosting like probably 4 or 5 times. Then we have 3 Rheem Classic X's. That one I caught starting up last year. These 2 I caught starting up numerous times. That is my favorite Rheem Classic right there. Beautiful sounding unit. And then we have 3 Rudd units, which also replaced Rheem Classic X's. The one in the back is actually from 2022, even though it was installed last year. Kind of funny. Then nothing's changed over here. Same units. It's my truck. And nothing's changed down here. These all replaced 2002 Goodman units. They all disappeared. The first 02 Goodmans got replaced in 2016 by that Goodman and that one. First it was this one and then that one. Then 2017, that unit comes in and that one. And then 2021, no, 22, this one gets put in, or that one got put in. Then last year, that one got put in. Then we have 6 carrier units.